Hello, I'm Carsten Salewski, a member of the executive board at Viscom SE. It's in the DNA of the company. When we started 40 years ago, the two founders, they always were focused on, being sustainable, use minimal resources and so on. But lately, with all the reporting requirements, we had to set goals. I mean, there's different goals. So, for example, we have a lot of photovoltaic, so solar power. In the company, we added 140 kilowatts last year. And our goal is, for example, by 2030 to be 100% on renewable energy. The important goal that we set is to reduce the amount of resources by 2032 by 20%.
Okay. All right.
So based on revenue, of course, but that's challenging because that goes into every aspect of building machines.
Yeah.
That's what IPC is advocating for, especially in Europe. We need reliable rules and guidelines that don't change last minute and make it hard for the industry. And I know you hear that a lot, but it's real. We spent 500 hours to prepare a report that wasn't needed, and another 400 hours to audit it, which is just a waste of resources.